how to heal the lining of your digestive system and heal your leaky gut? Well, I'm Belinda Kirkpatrick and I'm a naturopath and nutritionist, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about the benefits of L-Glutamine. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos like this, and stay tuned right to the end to be receiving a special offer. You can also follow us on Instagram at The Happy Mammoth. Have you used glutamine before? Drop a comment below and let us know what effects you've noticed from taking L-Glutamine, one of my favorite supplements. Okay, so today we're going to be chatting to you about L-Glutamine. What is L-Glutamine? So L-Glutamine is an amino acid. It's one of the preferred fuels for the intestinal bacteria. So that means that it helps your prebiotics and probiotics to flourish and function at their very, very best, but it also helps to heal and line the digestive system. So this is an amino acid that you don't want to miss because it has so many health benefits for you. It also tastes like nothing. It's like a sort of an odorless powder, so it's perfect for palatability for all ages. Basically helps to support your gut bacteria, which could also help with weight loss. It's also fantastic in helping for sugar cravings and eliminates and reduces bloating, gas, digestive pain, colic. It can help to regulate your bowels. It improves diarrhea, constipation, and helps to seal and heal cracks and fissures in the lining of your digestive system. It's a real must for anybody with digestive complaints. Some of the other effects of L-Glutamine can be that it helps with leaky gut, of course. It helps with irritable bowel syndrome. It can also support the immune system, which is really important during this time, but also can help with muscle gain and recovery from exercise as well. So it really does do so many things. The best way to take L-Glutamine is with water, and ideally on an empty stomach, either in the morning before breakfast or before lunch or dinner. Now, the type of glutamine that you can be getting at drugstores and pharmacies isn't actually the same as the Happy Mammoth glutamine. So ours is a really clean, pure, plant-based L-Glutamine with no genetically modified ingredients. And this is really important for those of you who care about your health. It's formulated specifically to target leaky gut, chronic digestive system issues, helps with uncontrollable sugar cravings, and helps with difficulty losing weight. Most of the other ones in the shops are more targeted for muscle recovery and helping athletes. So you want to make sure that you're getting the glutamine that's targeted for the issues that you're needing it to target. We absolutely suggest that you take the Ultra Absorb L-Glutamine from Happy Mammoth. This is one of my absolute favorites. As I said, it mixes well, it's flavorless, so it can be mixed into water easily and just absolutely has that palatability. If you're not 100% sure which supplements to take, you can take our quiz in the descriptions below and get personalized advice or suggestion on which products are going to be best for you. Plus, as I mentioned before, there is a special offer for you guys. But check out the description below for your offer of 10% off. So you can get a discount on your L-Glutamine or other products today and try them. Don't forget to let us know in the comments what effects you've noticed from taking this supplement, the fabulous L-Glutamine. See you soon, guys.